Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pay off normal credit on Argos. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, you have to log into your Argos account. Once you're logged in, then you need to navigate to the account dashboard or the profile settings. Look for the option related to managing your credit card or payment. So for that, go to the accounts, and after you tap on the account, you'll be taken to this sort of interface. Here, go ahead and select the ways to pay, and over here you'll be provided with this sort of interface. So here you need to first of all find the section that allows you to view details of your credit card information, including your current balance and payment options. These section may be last at my account or credit account. In my case, I've not added any sort of payment method, so unfortunately there is no such interface. But if you've already added the credit card, then you'll be able to see a different and quite different interface than mine. You need to select the option to make a payment towards your credit balance. Now, depending on the available method too, you may be able to pay online using a debit card, credit card, or a bank transfer as well. After that, if you're paying online, you'll need to enter your payment detail, including the amount you wish to pay and the payment method information. Follow the prompt to input this information securely and securely. Then you can review the payment detail to ensure the accuracy, including the payment amount and selection, all that, and submit the payment, and you've successfully completed the procedure. So that's basically how you can pay off normal credit on Argos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.